Tracy, how did it all begin?
Wait, I'm usually the one asking the questions.
What's your first memory of money? What challenges shaped your passion for your work? I love asking questions to get to the heart of what makes you tick, to show people how great it is to work with you. Because marketing shouldn't be about salesmanship. It's about building and strengthening relationships. I was merging business with relationships long before I even realized it. At about the age of 7, I was publishing my own newspaper, the Waltz Time Journal. It had articles I wrote and ads I clipped out of my mom's magazines. I sold it for 50 cents to people at church. I didn't know it at the time, but it was the start of a long career in journalism, one that took me from a tiny town in Missouri to network news over 2 decades. But it wasn't until joining Decanter that I truly got to marry my creativity and love for storytelling with an almost pathological need for organization and project management. I'm not one to shy away from hard work. When I was almost 40, I took up a whole new hobby because why not? Running is the hardest thing I've ever done. Sticking it out through fatigue and pain through 10, 13, or 26 miles takes a lot of determination. I've seen many people approach video marketing and have trouble even getting across that starting line, or approach it like it's a sprint. It's really more like a marathon, an ongoing process that will take time and discipline. And having a great coach, like me, never hurts. At Decanter, we help you create, engage, and convert.